Are you ready to embark on a journey towards holistic well-being? Where the beauty of nature meets the wisdom of wellness. If so, you're in the right place. Discover quick and effective wellness tips, DIY natural remedies, and mindful practices to elevate your mind, body, and soul. Our channel is your go-to destination for a treasure trove of natural wellness nuggets, bite-sized, practical, and transformative tips inspired by the wonders of the natural world. Discover the power of nature's remedies, learn about the benefits of wholesome nutrition, and unlock the secrets to a balanced and vibrant life. From herbal remedies to mindful practices, we've got your well-being covered. Our goal is to empower you with practical tools to enhance your overall wellness naturally. Subscribe now for your weekly dose of natural wellness. As a treat, here's a sneak peek of a natural wellness nugget to empower your day. Calm and Center, Lavender Chamomile Infusion for Inner Balance. Prepare to immerse yourself in the delicate dance of chamomile and lavender, a potion crafted to bring you inner balance and serenity. In the embrace of nature's soothing touch, we'll unlock the secrets of herbal infusions. Our chosen blend of chamomile and lavender is not just a tea, it's a moment to harmonize mind and spirit. Let's dive into the ingredients and what they're known for. Chamomile flowers, 2 teaspoons. Known for its calming properties, chamomile aids in relaxation and helps soothe the nervous system. Dried lavender buds, 1 teaspoon. Lavender brings a touch of floral sweetness and is renowned for its calming and stress-relieving benefits. Peppermint leaves, optional, for freshness. Add a hint of minty freshness to elevate the overall flavor. Now, let's jump into the instructions. Prepare your ingredients. Gather your chamomile flowers, dried lavender buds, and optional peppermint leaves. Ensure they are of high quality for the best infusion experience. Boil water. Bring fresh, filtered water to a boil. Allow it to cool for a moment to ensure it's not too hot, preserving the delicate flavors of the herbs. Combine the herbs. In a teapot or infuser, combine the chamomile flowers and dried lavender buds. If you're adding peppermint leaves, include them for a refreshing twist. Infuse. Pour the hot water over the herbs, covering them completely. Let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the herbs to release their calming essence. Strain and serve. Strain the infusion into your favorite mug and inhale the soothing aroma. Feel the warmth of the tea enveloping you as you prepare to indulge in a moment of tranquility. Mindful sipping. Take a mindful sip, allowing the blend to touch your senses. Feel the gentle warmth and let the calming properties of chamomile and lavender work their magic. Embrace inner balance. Find a quiet space, sip slowly, and allow the herbal infusion to create a sense of inner balance. Let the worries of the day melt away as you connect with the peaceful energy of this calming elixir. As you savor the delicate flavors of the lavender chamomile infusion, may it serve as a reminder to cultivate moments of tranquility in your daily life. If you found solace in the dance of chamomile and lavender, and if the gentle warmth of this herbal elixir touched your senses, consider subscribing to Dream Chasers, Natural Wellness Nuggets. Share this video with those who deserve a moment of peace, and invite them to join our sanctuary of wellness. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay connected with our natural wellness nuggets.